Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video, welcome to my channel. And what we're gonna do today is I'm going to show you this app called Reverso Context that making translations easier. Let's assume that you're not even translating something for school or something for a friend, but you're actually you're just in the street in a country that you don't know the language of, but you speak English or you speak another language, and you can just reverse what you have said as it says, and it is also showing you the context of it. So I'd like to see how it works, and I would like to show you guys how it works. So as you can see, we have English and French, right? We can actually change it. Let's make it Turkish, so it would be easier for me to tell you what it actually means. So I would like to reverse this. Let's assume that you're in Turkey and you have heard of this word is this, right? So what it means in English is lazy, or dilatory, but actually, this is also showing you which context you can use it in, right? No, it's you being lazy, or you are old and lazy. I told you she wouldn't bother, lazy little liar. Okay, Buster, no topaika for you. You see, it is also showing you which context these things that can be used. This is an adjective, as you can see. So let's see if it has the verb. Yes, it does not. Maybe some of the words, I think it's because of, yes, düşünmek. For example, this is a verb. As you can see, this can be translated as think, consider, imagine, rethink, believe, assume, worry about, reflect, or contemplate, right? It's written every every meaning that it could actually mean. So here, as you can see, we also have it in the context, where I could have used it. Maybe you're just using this app to learn some languages that you are learning by yourself, but you need a dictionary, something like that. This is an amazing app for that, because it is showing you in which context you can be using them, and I think it is making it very good. And also, what you can do, let's assume that you really like the structure of the maybe the sentence, or you just liked what it meant. So what you can do, you can actually favorite. As you can see here, we just added it to our Facebook. So we just seen it, right? When we think of this, we're gonna get to the, as we clicked favorite, which sentence we have favorited is gonna show here. And from here, and we have this pencil icon, right? Pen icon. When we tap on that, we're actually we can add it to source, we can add it to translation. Maybe we think it's actually used in this side, could be, any app might have some type of bugs in it. So you can also add a comment to remind you, maybe, so this can be used in this kind of situations, like that. And so let's go into our new search. So every of them that you have done, right? When we click in thinking, you see. So actually what it did, for example, actually in Turkish we do have this verb called üşenmek, but it's actually they didn't have it, so they thought that I might meant düşünmek. Maybe you put something down that it actually is not correct, but it's going to help you to correct what you have put. That's also good and important. But to be honest, I didn't like this part. I think they should be adding more and more words. Maybe this is only for Turkish, because Turkish has a lot of words. Like, even me as a Turkish, I don't know a lot of them. So As you can see, you can see from here. Or we also have another option, which is we don't have to type in the search area. We can just use our voice. We can just be putting it as we can just put it as how can I say, audio. So that's also good, to be honest, because maybe you don't know how to actually write it down. For example, it happens to me sometimes in French, because the word is like, you just say but the way you write it, it means water, but the way you write it is like o, e, a, o, or something like, this is wrong most probably. Like, you can just pronounce it and it will show you. So let's see what we have in this hamburger menu. On the left upper corner, we have our search history, we have our phrasebook that we added, we have this learn. So here, as you can see, it is also helping you out with learning, maybe a practice or maybe a question, maybe quiz. So, or you can learn the strategy how you can do that. So you can learn, your language could be French, or your language, let's say it is or it is, no, let's go learn English. So let's say learn French, and from here let's choose English. But why it is not yes, now it's English. So your language is English and you want to learn French, you can click learn, you can click quiz, you can click practice. So as you can see, it is helping you with a lot of things. Or you can click on learn strategy and see how to actually modify, maybe because you have some type of way that you are learning languages that you know in your mind. Maybe you want to customize them, so you can just go and do it that way. You can just, for example, recent, mixed, earlier, or you can just choose anything. So let's go. Let's click on hamburger menu again. Maybe we have a text and photo. You have to allow. Of course, right now I'm using it from the computer. That's why. But let's assume you have a text in an image, right? So you can actually take a picture of it, and then it can translate it for you, which is an amazing thing. Or you can tell a friend about this amazing app, so they can be using it as much as you use it, and maybe you will be learning new languages together on your own. So that would be great. So don't forget to download this app because it's gonna help you, I am pretty sure. So there's a question that I would like to ask you. Thank you for watching at this point, by the way. So the question that I am going to be asking you is this. So which language would you like to learn with this amazing app, and what made you want to learn that language? Please let me know on the comments, and I can come down there, tell you why I started learning French and Spanish. So see you guys on the comments, and see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to like at the same time.